And we are in front of an interesting Carado camper, semi-integral camper called the Carado V357 Pro with a price final of 67,000 euros. And I will be entering inside to check the actual interior. I will be now brightening up the complete scene. So, inside we have a transversable longitudinal bed with the measures of 2 meters, and at the widest part we are looking at 2 meters. So this is a pretty wide and long bed, 2 meters on the longer part and 2 meters on the widest part. So this can fit and sleep perfectly 3 people. On this side we have the actual toilet with the Tedford cassette toilet, and this part actually moves out, so you have a separate shower. On the front part we have a large cabinet, and this is the standard Fiat Ducato Citroen chassis with a large table and sitting areas with isofix. From this part we have a 90-liter fridge, and getting out to have a look on the garage storage unit. And this is the garage. Not bad, with a measure of almost 2 meters at the longest part, and it's about 0.9 meters wide. And I will be getting out to check again this Carado